What's up, online shoppers? It's almost barbecue season time again, and so I've pulled out my barbecue. Absolutely a champ of a barbecue. We love it. We've barbecued so many things on it, and we can't wait to get ready to barbecue again. So let me tell you all about this awesome, wicked little stainless steel machine. Height-wise, it's about 45 inches tall, and it's about 49 inches wide. Depth-wise, you've got about 20 inches here. Powerful barbecue without being a super large footprint. A really nice side table here. It's got a place to open up all of your bottles. It's got a side burner over here, and we'll talk about that in a second. Temperature gauge on the front, stainless steel handle here, and I love that there's also this really nice cabinet underneath here where you can keep your propane tank. You can tell that we've used this for a year. We cleaned it before we put it away. The grates in here are enameled cast iron, and they have definitely stood up really well. And for me, that has made a really good cook surface. You get the solid heat retention of the cast iron grates, and then you get the non-stick capabilities of the porcelain enamel over top. Makes for a really nice combination. In your main cooking area here, you get 360 square inches of cook surface, plus you get another 150 up top here, whether you use this as a warming rack or a gentler way to cook what you're cooking. I also really think the height of this barbecue is pretty cool. So you can see when I stand here, if I'm working on the surface, it's actually a really nice, comfortable height. That is definitely an added bonus for this barbecue. And it's on casters, rolls really easy. In the back here, you have a full pull-out grease tray, which is nice and easy for emptying the grease at the end of a barbecue session. It's got push to light ignition right here. You can hear that. Does a great job of lighting up the burners. And the burners underneath here, nice and sturdy. They've held up for a full season, and they're ready for the next season. There's a nice little rubber grip on the outside of all the burners to help you get a good grip, even if your fingers are a little bit greasy. On top of having this really nice surface here for prep, you've got another full cooking surface right here. Great for sauces, frying up some garlic and some onions, or your mushrooms to go on top of your steak. It's a really convenient extra that multiplies your cooking space. This one here is about a 12,000 BTU burner, and these burners here a total of 46,700 BTUs. So you've got some super cooking power right here, ready to go to work on whatever you throw on this grill. You do have to assemble this one, so if you're purchasing it brand new, it's going to take you probably about an hour or so to put it together, but it is definitely worth the effort. Fire it up when the friends come over, cook, barbecue your steak, your potatoes, your corn. If you haven't tried barbecue corn on the grill, you are missing out. This is absolutely an awesome little barbecue. 4 burners, easy to use controls, side burner, tons of cooking space, easy cleanup, great non-stick surface for grilling. This one here is absolutely a tried and tested family favorite at our house.